my hot water heater. It's not making water hot fast enough. It takes like a lot of days to make the water hot. Okay, so get that cover. You see that igniter burning, but the whole burner ain't catching. A lot of times it's just like rust buildup. So first I'm gonna try taking this out and cleaning it all up, making sure there's no rust in the holes, clogging the gas from getting to the burner. Obviously, first turn off the gas. Horizontal means off. Take off that one. This is a 10 millimeter. Next, you want to take off this one. This shit is stuck the fuck on. I can't get mine off. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. Then you want to take off this one. 3/4. Lots of PB blast there. Great, pull that out. That fucking broke. Oh my god. Oh my god. So that might be some of the problem. Pick one of these. Probably take some sandpaper to it in a minute. SOS pad. It's super important to make sure all these holes are clear. Take like a toothpick, make sure ain't no shit in them holes. Here's the thing, under here, that little hole right there. That needs to be not clogged. So take this teeny weeny Allen wrench, put it in this teeny weeny hole. Scrape it out real good, you know? Cause look, you need to be able to, and air come out. Because the gas is gonna come out. And if air can't come out, natural gas can't come out. Connect this one, connect this one. Here's this broken piece. We'll get to that. No. Let the JB well sit overnight. Feels pretty good. So good double test. It looks pretty sealed. Oh God, dang it. I guess I'm about to go to Home Depot and buy a new thermocouple. The thermocouple is that little wire right there that runs beside the gas lines. It's this little piece right here, right beside the igniter. It's a sensor that detects whether or not there is a flame. If there is not a flame, it sends a little signal to the valve box, letting it know not to let in any gas. Pushing down the pilot light button overrides that, and that's what it looks like is happening. I'm only getting gas out the ignite when I'm holding down the ignite button. I guess we gotta take this off, including the steel stick. Got the old out. Let it through, okay? Got it. Got it. Tighten that, put the new thing on, and lit the pilot. Anyway, it's lit. Now I'm gonna take a shower.